Learn Code. In this video, you learn the basic knowledge about HTML, including the structure of HTML, heading tags, paragraph tag, and image tag. We'll go into depth later, like the marquee tag, font tag, and we'll do CSS after we have completed HTML. Let's start. First, open up the folder where you want to store your file. Then open Notepad. And now, 1 minute. And now click Ctrl S and open up the folder you want to store it. Now just type a name. I'll type a name learning_html.html. Now make sure it is in all files, so it will actually save as a HTML file. Click save. Now it is here. Now you can open it in Sublime Text if you downloaded it. You should download it. I showed how to download it in my last video. So in Sublime Text, just type HTML and press tab. So here is the structure of HTML. I'll just remove this. Okay. This is the default structure of HTML. The tags which do not have a closing tag, only an opening tag, are called empty tags, while tags which have an opening tag and a closing tag are called container tags. You can identify a closing tag and opening tab like this. An opening tab has these two arrows and a name inside it. And the closing tag would have the same name but with a slash, but with a forward slash after the left arrow. So this is not really necessary, you can just delete it. And so first, every code is made inside the HTML tag, HTML container tag. Here is the opening and the closing. The head is used for coding codes like what to name your title, what icon should your title with, and like that. The main part of the coding happens mostly in the body. Here we put all the information that is visible on the web page. So just type anything here, web page, and save it by typing Ctrl S. Now open up your web browser any and click Ctrl O. Now here open up wherever your file is. It is here. You found it and click open. So you can ensure that you have done the past steps correctly. Now let's edit it again. So let's first learn the types of headings. There are 6 types of tags which can be used for headings. They are H1 tag, H2 tag, H3, H4, H5 and H6. From H1 to H6. They are all container tags. Means they have an opening tag as well as a closing tag. First, let's see the difference. H1 heading. Let's do all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it. H6, H5, H4, H3, H2, H6, H5, 4, 3, 2. I'm doing this so you can understand fully how it actually works. here. Now save it again, Control S, and it's saved. Now open up this and reload. You can see H1 is the largest heading while H6 is the smallest. So like this, headings H1 to H6 size decreases. The number of the H1 increases, it becomes smaller. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So there's only one paragraph tag called P. There's no P1, P2, P3, so don't try to do it. There's only one paragraph tag called P. I'll type in here paragraph. Paragraph tag is used for creating paragraphs. You can see what's name. Reload and see. It has a default font of a paragraph, of which a paragraph would contain, while a heading has different values. It is more bold and has a different font. So now let's do the next thing. Image tag. This is a very useful tag. Its image tag is a empty tag. Empty means it does not have a closing tag, only one opening tag. So SRC is a short form for source. So type here go to website and go to anywhere and open up. I'll go here, coding, images. I'll open this, wait for it to load and click copy link address. This is one way to insert an image. Now when I save it, the image would come here. It's not coming here. 1 minute. Then we can use the alternative method. Click save image as. This would open. Now click learn wherever you have stored it and click save. But first copy the name. Copy the whole name. Or type a name, image. Now I'll copy this name and save it. So here I'll just type image.png. If the image you are using is in the same directory, then you don't have to write the whole part. You can just write the name. Now let's save it and see if the image has come. As you can see, it is here now. It is very visible. Now image tag has 2 or 3 more attributes like width, height, border. So attributes are like mini tags which can be used inside tags to modify a style. Something like a heading. You can modify a heading, any of the headings. You can modify a paragraph with attributes and image also. Attributes, but all of the tags have particular specific attributes. Let's set the width and height. Also, you can note that the double quotes or single quotes are not necessary. If you don't want to put them, you can remove them. It doesn't matter. But I like to keep the quotes, so it makes my code look a bit organized and not messy. and hard to understand. So you can either use the width and height as pixels or percentage. Like if I write 50% in both of them, what do you think will happen? Will become 50% of the whole web page or of the size of the image? Let's see. So you can see what happened. It became 50% of the size of the image, not of the whole web page. And of course we can also use pixels. Like I set it 100 pixels. You can use px for pixels. Px and save. Now it has become small, but it worked. Now let's use the border. Also you can check in Sublime Text if attribute is available or not. Type the first letter of the attribute, and if you can see the attribute name here, means it is available to use. In this case border, and I'll set it as 5. Save it, and here you can see there is a border. I'll increase the size. I'll set it to 500 so it's more visible. Here it's not very visible, but maybe we can change the border color too. As you can see, the border color attribute is not available for it. But you can see that a small tiny border has been added to the image surroundings. Let's make it increase 25. Here you can see there is a very thick border now. Now let's learn some formatting tags like B, U and I. The B tag is used to make a paragraph or heading or any text bold. U tag is used to underline any text, and the I tag is used to give italic effect to any text tag. Let's do the first formatting tag of B. Also you have to note that formatting tags like B, U, I have to be inside the container tag. Like this is the container tag P and closing tag of P. The tag has to be inside it. B, and now formatting tags are also container tags. Let's see. So I put the container tag B over here. So after this, now the paragraph would be in bolds. Let's see. See, it has become very bold. Now the U tag. Let's do the U tag with the paragraph only. U/U and save. And now reload it. It is underlined. Now the italic tag. All of these tags are very useful to make web pages. Now these 3 tags would be applied to the paragraph. Now it is bold, italic and underlined. So guys, I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I would be making more detailed videos about HTML in the future. I mean the near future, of course. So bye.